Dynamics 365 Business Central includes a lot of reports that will help you meet your basic accounting needs. Let's take a look at them. We're going to look at basic reports in the general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and a couple of inventory reports. Let's get started with the general ledger. We're going to take a look at the trial balance and also a detailed trial balance, and it's easy to get to. Let's search on trial balance. Down here I have my reports based on the search criteria that I just entered. Let's go to the trial balance. This is the standard trial balance. Almost every report in Business Central is going to have a dialog box like this, where you can select among various options to get exactly the information that you want. Here's the trial balance dialog box. I specified a number of options and I specified a date that I want to look at. So let's run this. So here's a standard trial balance report. You can run this anytime you want to with a number of different options for different time periods. You can also schedule these reports to run when you want them and have them show up in your role center. Here's the dialog box for the detailed trial balance. Let's take a look at what this looks like. Here I have detail by account that shows me individual transactions, the debit, credit, and then the balance, the running balance in that account. Let's take a look at accounts payable. Here I want to show you the aged accounts payable report and also the single vendor projected cash payments report. So let's look up aged payables report. It's going to be this one right here. Let's pull that up. I want to show the detail. And on most of these reports, I can run them anytime I want to, but I can also schedule them to run on a regular basis. To do that, it's easy. I'll go down to Send To here, hit Schedule. When I select this, it'll open up another dialog box asking me when I want to run this. Let's just take a look at the standard report. We'll preview it. Here's the standard aged accounts payable report. Another thing you can do is you can look at individual vendors and get reports just based on that vendor without having to put a filter in, and it's easy to do. If I go up to vendors here, select a vendor, I've got a number of reports that are ready to go. Let's take a look at the projected cash payments report. This shows me what I owe just this particular vendor. This helps me plan my cash flow. I can run it for a particular vendor. I can run it for the entire company. Let's take a look at accounts receivable. We'll take a look at the aged accounts receivable report and also the single customer aged accounts receivable report. Let's select this one here. Again, I can schedule this to run on a regular basis. I may want to run it the first thing in the morning, or I can just run it whenever I want to, like now. And this is the standard aged accounts receivable. What I can also do is for a specific customer, I can look at the aging for that specific customer. Let's go to this customer here, go to reports, and then run the aged accounts receivable. Here I have the basic aging report, but just for one customer. I can email this out to the customer if they have any questions about what they owe my company. Let's take a look at the inventory reports that come with Business Central. There's two I want to show you. One is called the inventory status report, and the other is the inventory valuation report. And basically they're both valuation reports. Let's take a look at them. The first one can be a little hard to find. So search on status, and it's this one right here. We'll run this report, and this shows a detailed view of the inventory valuation. Here's the inventory valuation report. Let's take a look at that. It's a more summarized view, but it can be broken down by location and also by variant if you're using variants in your inventory. This has been a quick view of standard reports that come with Business Central that will help you with your basic accounting needs. We looked at general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and inventory.